Hi guys, if you want to take the MikroTik router backup, so in this video I will guide you how you can take the MikroTik router backup. So let's go onto the this is the MikroTik router, and let's go onto the files, and inside the files you will have an option of backup. Then you can give the any name like and you can set any password if you want, but I don't want to set any password because there's a chance we can forget the password. And let's back up the configuration. So this is the configuration file and this is the backup. And similarly, if you want to restore the backup, just you have to click onto the restore, and you need to upload the file. That's it. And that's it.